Hello guys, it's your two sisters. My sister is not here again, so I'll be doing this alone. Okay, let's do the handshake. Boom, boom. Hey, I love you all. Royalty family, please don't think I'm copying your handshake. The song. It's not like a song, but okay. I do it like boom, boom. Hey, and Royalty family, I love you so much. That is why this is why I started my own YouTube channel because you guys you inspired me to open a YouTube channel to be famous like you guys because all I wanted to be is a YouTuber, and since I watch you guys' video it's just inspiring me to go after my dreams to be what I want to be. So I just want to thank you, Royalty family, for everything that I do. And can I get a shout out, please? I was wondering when I can get the iPhone because, like, I watch a video too late and then the other person get the iPhone. So yeah, so Royalty family, if you're watching that, I have a big heart for you guys. My heart always stands up for you guys. Like my heart, it's there for you guys. It stands up every way. Because I put my heart with you guys to be in a family like you. Because I always wished for Raya to be my mommy. Because she's so good. And Andrea, for you, thus my heart is all to you. So I just want to say thank you for putting all the effort in for being a mother, Andrea, and I know you're a good mother. I just wanted to be a child. I just wanted to be your child. And oh, my heart goes to you guys. Thank you for everything you guys did. And please, Andrea and the Royalty family, please like, subscribe, comment, and share because I like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Go to part 2.